Are you a business entity or an independent professional seeking a streamlined approach to handling client payments? Do you need a versatile tool that accepts a wide variety of payment methods while also allowing quick changes and analytics? Wouldn't it be beneficial if this solution collects lowest transaction costs? Didn't demand intricate coding skills from you? Look no further, because we've got you covered with MYFUNDBOX. Meet MYFUNDBOX. MYFUNDBOX is a versatile tool designed to manage recurring billing and invoicing needs for your subscription-based services across multiple payment providers. The first time you open MYFUNDBOX, you'll see the dashboard. Here's where you will see everything you need to know about your payments. Payment amounts, subscription versus one-off payments, and much more. There's even some forecasting helping you to peer into the future like a wizard. Creating your own payment scenarios with MYFUNDBOX is incredibly straightforward. Simply need for true plans and configure the payment methods that suit your product or service best. Tons of customizations available, including type of currency, tax rates, recurring billing, payment installments, and other billing cycles. Or send your customer a link to pay online for everything in a single tap. Bid farewell to manual invoicing or external payment systems. Send a link, your customer pays, and you receive payment. Your customers also gain the flexibility to self-manage their subscriptions. Once you finalize the payment program you wish to implement, setting it up is a breeze. Adding a payment window to your website is fast and easy. All you have to do is find the plan that you just created and click on Integrate Payment Box. The embed codes, paste them into your site's backend, and voila, you're all set to receive payments. Oh, and here's one more time-saving feature. MYFUNDBOX helps you stay on top of follow-up communication. Once a customer completes payment, you can set it up to automatically send email receipts or use another automation to send invoices requesting payment. So that's it. Seize the opportunity to boost your sales effortlessly with MYFUNDBOX.